So, you're working on a document and you've made some changes. But wait, what if you need to go back to a previous version? That's where version history comes in. It's like a time machine for your document. With version history, you can easily track changes, collaborate with others, and ensure efficient document version control. No more confusion or lost work. Here's how it works: simply click on File and then Version History. You'll see a list of all the versions of your document, with timestamps and who made the changes. Pretty cool, right? But it gets even better. You can restore a previous version with just a click. Say goodbye to the stress of accidentally deleting something important or making irreversible changes. And here's a pro tip: you can even name your versions to make it easier to find the one you need. Just click on the three dots next to the version and select Name this version. So, whether you're working on a team project or just want to keep track of your own edits, utilizing version history is a game changer. It's like having your own personal document superhero. Remember, version history is your secret weapon for efficient document version control. So go ahead, explore it, and never worry about losing your work again.